Welcome students. Welcome to the course of Economics, Finance and Entrepreneurship. Myself, Professor Ranabir Bonik from Department of Basic Science and Humanities of Institute of Engineering and Management, IEM, Kolkata. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about solution demo and MVP. What are the similarities in these two and what are the dissimilarities? So this solution demo and MVP both are very important thing you need for your venture. So you need both solution demo and MVP. So what is the main difference between solution demo and MVP? They are similar yet different. How they similar? So your solution demo and MVP capture the core essence of your actual solution. Both of them capture the core essence of your actual solution and both help you to manage your risk. So before launching your venture, both will help you to manage your risk. What are the main risk points in your business? Then your solution demo helps to identify the early adopters. Now we are discussing the dissimilarities. So your solution demo, it will help you to identify the early adopters because the customers who like a solution demo will be your early adopters. And your MVP, it focuses on getting the early adopters on board as your paying customers. So this is important. You need paying customers. Okay. So you can't go for hypothetical customers. So you need paying customers. So your MVP will help you to have this paying customers. So your solution demo will help you to identify the early adopters and your MVP will convert these early adopters as paying customers. How? MVP stand for minimum viable product. So you have already launched your product with minimum uh, minimum characteristic. You have the main idea, so the MVP will have the minimum characteristic of your product, and your customer, if they like your product, they will buy that product. It is sellable. Okay, so by in this way, you are converting your early adopters as your paying customers. Your solution demo helps to identify the minimum features required to build the MVP because your customers are giving you feedbacks on your solution demo. So you know what are the points you need to incorporate in your minimum viable product. So your solution demo helps to identify the minimum features you need to build the MVP. Whereas MVP will let you know if you have a compelling solution that your customers are willing to pay for. Because you have already made the product, now you are checking your customers are buying this or not. So it will have the compelling solution that your customers are willing to pay for. Are they paying for this product or not? If they are paying, there is a possibility that your business will be successful. If they are not paying, they are not buying your product, your business will fail. Your solution demo focuses on figuring out the right price. Again, it is a feedback system. You are asking your customer what will be the possible price you want to pay for this product. So your solution demo helps on this point, and your MVP will help you to validate the price with your real customer. So you have priced your product. Now you have the MVP. You are going to the customers and telling them this is the price, and you are checking whether they are buying this product or not. If they are buying, so their pricing is right. You have the right price for the product. And if they are not buying the product, you have to rethink about the price. You maybe reduce the price. Okay, so your MVP will help you to validate the price. Your solution demo helps your customers to visualize the product. Okay, because it is a sketch out. Okay, the solution demo, so your customers can visualize the product, whereas MVP is the actual product with minimum features. So your solution demo, mainly your problem solution fit. You already have the problem, you have the idea or solution in your mind. So you are checking your problem and solution are fitting or matching or not. You are going to the customers and checking this. You are taking their feedbacks. Whereas MVP is the product market fit. You have the product and you are checking your product is sellable in the market or not. So your solution demo is the problem solution fit and MVP is product market. Thank you. So you know what is MVP and what is solution demo, and you already have an idea why they are important.